if there are any plans.
Ano mo, okay, we are open anytime if they want to sit down. Ang problema kasi nga, they use the social media. Diba? Ang akin, we are open. We can always set up a meeting, sit down with us. Not the problem. They use the social media. But they say this, they say that. Fine with us. Hindi pa kami mawakasay. Diba? So, yun lang. If they want to, let's say, okay, Gia is the captain. She can lead the team. If you want to talk with us, fine, let's talk. Let's sit down. Meron nga kaming naging meeting. Ayoko lang sabihin. Baka sabihin na kasi yung nabasa ko yun sa sino sumulat, no? ABS-CBN. Yung alas stakeholder. Tinatanong ko, sino ba itong alas stakeholder na to? Kasi we don't have an alas stakeholder. We have stakeholders who are members. When you say alas stakeholder, player yan. Definitely, 101%. Eh, ayaw naman sabihin sa akin kung sino yung player. So, paano mo sasagutin? Diba? Baka bang nagtatago? Kagaya yung tinanong ko na dati. Tinatanong ko sa'yo, sino ba yung nagtatanong? Ayaw mo naman sabihin sa akin. So, sabi mo, paano mo sasagutin yung ayaw magpakilala? Diba? Kilala niya ako. Sa tatanong mo, makilala ko siya para sagutin ko siya ng diretso. Eh, problema, taguan eh. Diba? Which is not fair. Para bang ikaw ba, papayag ka, titirahin ka, di mo na kung sino tumitira sa'yo. Yun ang ano. Sana no, maging parehas. Kaya sabi ko nga kanina, pwede sana isulat niyo kung ano sinabi namin. Huwag yung bawasan, huwag yung dagdagan. Hindi lang yun.
If I may add something to what President Tony Boy have said. This new leadership of PNB is transparent. Yan ang gusto namin transparent for all the stakeholders in sabi mo nga. And we also encourage all the stakeholders, all the members of PNB to work together. Let's all be united. All right? This new valuable federation, this new PNB is working for the Filipino volleyball fans. Nobody else. Gusto lang natin sila na mapasaya, gusto lang natin sila maging kontento kung ano yan. So as much as possible, we cannot do it alone. So let us unite and let us represent the country in the future tournaments para sa ganun mas maganda yung maging resulta. For now, actually, we came from Ilocos Sur. Nagano kami kahapon, umalis kami kahapon at just to attend an opening yung sa first Akari Cup sa Kawayan, Ilocos Sur. Tapos, bumalik kami dito.
Under 18.
Under 18 yun. So, kami, kahit anong hirap yan, pupuntahan namin yan. Kahit anong hirap. Marami kami plano kasi para sa new PNB yan. Marami kami plano. And we are basically investing on our grassroots program. Para rin sa ganun, in the next 2 years, yan yung magre-represent ng Pilipinas. So, I guess, for now, the new PNB is for everybody, for all Filipino volleyball fans. And help us to let us united para so we can play and be at par with the other international countries when it comes to playing volleyball. So, yun ang pakiusap namin and for those who are, naririnig namin kayo, and we take it into consideration, and we learn something from it, and it is I would say it's not a challenge, but it is a motivation for us to be, to work harder, kasi we should learn from the past, para hindi na natin gawin yung mali yung nakaraan. So let us be, pero siyempre hindi naman tayo magiging perfecto. So as much as possible, kailangan namin ng tulong para mapaganda pa rin natin yung laro, yung sports na volleyball dito sa Pilipinas. Yun lang naman din ang hinihiling namin sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat.